Parliament has tasked the Ministries of Public Service and Internal Affairs to urgently address the matter of missing police salaries, noting that the issue directly impacts the officers' ability to maintain law and order and protect citizens and their property.
Mr. Speaker, once an armed person is not paid, in essence, it is as if we are saying that these people should use the tools they have to look for payment. And this is very worrying.
Because these serving officers, as we are saying, they earn very little, they move around with guns, many times they are brutalizing people because they are angry. The fellow left home, there is no food, child was sent away, no school fees, and he's angry and he's holding a gun. What do you expect them to do? I think that we should task government to deal with this matter in 1 week's time because you're...
This followed a statement read on floor of Parliament by State Minister for Trade, David Bahati, on behalf of the Minister of Internal Affairs concerning reports of missing salaries among police officers. According to Bahati, some officers were not validated by the Auditor General, while deserters were removed from the payroll.
Officers failed to meet validation requirement due to the missing national identification card in their names or dates of birth. These officers were categorized as partially validated. Since January 2025, 86 officers were declared deserters, 65 returned undergoing disciplinary trials.
We are recruiting these people. What did you ask for? Didn't they have documents? On recruitment, you don't ask for documents? Didn't you create files for these people?
Not give us this excuse of identity, because that means that there is a problem with the recruitment process. Someone somewhere who is working on the recruitment is bringing in funny, people who don't have the identity cards.
Gone on official leave, but maybe the system didn't capture, and they now need to be also put back to the payroll. Have they opened a complaint desk in each division so that all of them are registered?
State Minister Public Service Grace Mary Mugasa Akiiki revealed that the transition has been lengthy due to the discovery of numerous ghost workers. She said government loses up to 5 billion shillings annually to such anomalies.
Still work in progress. That's why they are still validating and giving people second chances. They are giving them second chances. You never know, they might get their papers and fill in their files. But those who will fail, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Why don't we bring a system that can serve the country for at least a number of years, at least maybe 10 years? You bring a system, it serves for only 2-3 years, you say, okay, we are migrating to another one. What is the intention?
Roman Member of Parliament Saropendi, who raised the matter on the floor of Parliament, expressed dissatisfaction with a statement saying it lacked clarity on the number of affected officers.
The statement that he has presented, he's actually giving a table of the officers who retired, the numbers of those who are cleared on the payroll, those who have retired, and those with varying dates of birth. These are 143. He does not state in his statement how many of these police officers are affected by the transition from the HCM, the Human Capital Management System, to the IPPS system.
Opendi also raised concern over the downward revision of salaries for police lawyers by the Attorney General's office, a move which MPs described as unconstitutional.
That the decision of the Ministry of Public Service to revise the salary structure of the Uganda Police Force legal officers downwards below the enhanced salary scale was unconstitutional, illegal, and ultra-vires. So, Right Honourable Speaker, how long does it take for government to correct this anomaly? And by the way, this was also a presidential directive, because
Attorney General Chiriowa Chiwanuka noted that his office is working to resolve the issue and confirmed the matter is currently under appeal.
Individual in police, after receiving a public pronouncement by the president that the salaries should be enhanced, went on the system and changed the salaries. Now, that is the issue in contention. Right Honourable Speaker, it is true that all lawyers in government are struggling to have that issue resolved. And
the Attorney General facing me
The issue of professional allowance has no other remedy. You cannot deduct somebody's salary as long as it goes on the pay slip. It is improper and null and void. That's why you lost that case in court, and even if you appeal, you will lose another round until you go to Supreme Court.
I'm Nafka Farida and Gloria Gwitabinji at Parliament.